This is a tutorial of the wedding checklist with reminders for your partner template in Coda. When you first land in the template, you're going to get some instructions on how to use the wedding checklist template. In the planning philosophy section, you'll see some more information and resources about wedding planning, wedding checklists, and also emotional labor with some more reading material down here. But let's go back into the main checklist. The first thing you want to do is enter your partner's email in this box right here in step 4, because this template is all about sending reminders to your partner. So in this case, I'm putting my fake email address, which is al@coda.io. And again, put whatever email you want your partner to, whatever email is for your partner. If you scroll down below, I'm going to delete this image for now, you're going to see the actual checklist. The first thing you want to do is click on this box and enter your wedding date. Let's say it's going to be in September of 2020, September 15th. This number will automatically give you the number of days before your wedding date. And we've provided some high-level tasks as well as the subtasks for your wedding. So let's say for mail to save the dates, you have all these individual subtasks that you need to do, such as figure out the proper format to upload your list into Minted or some other wedding invitation save the date website. And the important part is this checkbox right here. So if you have a task, if you're the project planner for the wedding, you may have certain tasks that rely on your partner to get done. So let's say finalize guest list for save the date invites. It requires you and your partner to both put in your guests. If this task relies on your partner, you can click on this checkbox and then put a little message here in partner task column indicating what you would like your partner to do to move forward on the task. So in this case, I wrote, here's the proposed final guest list. Let me know if you have any edits. This would be a message that gets sent to my partner. And if I click on this button right here, you're going to notice that it says connect to Gmail. By default, this template will have the Gmail pack installed. If you don't have it installed yet, just click on this puzzle piece icon and install the Gmail pack. And when I click on this button right here for finalize guest list, click on email partner, click on my own email. And once I click this button again, it says one external action performed. And let's see if this got sent to my fake email address. So this is kind of like my partner's email, and here it is. This is an automated email that gets sent every time you press a button in this column, and it'll send this message to your partner. This wedding task depends on you, and your partner will get a nice friendly message saying that you're getting married in so number of days, and also the actual task that depends on them to complete before you can move forward on the task. So I can go ahead and click on some other buttons here. Let's say I want to put up pictures of our stories and on our wedding website. I can click on this email partner because I've checked off that this is important for my partner to complete. Get headshots of your groomsmen. And let's go back to my partner's email address, my email inbox. And there it is, get headshots of your groomsmen or bridesmaids on the website. So it's a nice way to automate reminders to your partner about tasks they need to complete before you can move forward on the wedding. Now this is a checklist that we put together, but you can of course add your own tasks here as necessary. And there's also a calendar view of all the tasks if you want to see all the tasks on a calendar view, because you have due dates in this column right here. Finally, there's a nice long blog post from Betches called How to Make Sure You're Not Doing All the Wedding Planning by Yourself, in which this template is being mentioned in this link right here, and also a few places down in the blog post. So it's really important to read this blog post if you have to learn more about planning a wedding and getting your partner involved.